How much fun is it to get a greeting card in the mail just because? And even better yet, if this card actually springs to animated life with the turn of a paper dial. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine, the founder of Paper Specs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. While most of us spent the COVID lockdown learning how to make bread or trying to brush up on old skills, my good friend Ganit Dahan of Sabai Design took that unexpected downturn to experiment with new printing and finishing techniques. The result? 9 different greeting cards that spring to animated life with the turn of a paper dial. The first thing you notice about these colorful cards, digitally printed CMYK by Elan Printing, is the smooth feel they have when you pick them up. This is thanks to the American Bristol paper's coating on the outside. Each card features one of 9 different designs on the outside cover, boosting positive, uplifting sentiments like "Shine On" or "Hello Sunshine." Digital spot varnish further enhances the artwork, such as the appealing shine added to the twinkling stars on one and a streaking comet on another. Surely you didn't gather us here to admire streaking comets and twinkling stars, Sabine, I hear you say. How right you are. Opening the card reveals a blank uncoated space on the left at the back of the American Bristol Sheet where you can write your greeting. On the right are dozens of laser cut rays poking out from a single large design element at the center, be it a smiling sun, a red heart, or a happy star. This, it turns out, is the exterior of a pocket fold. Tucked inside it is a paper wheel featuring contrasting artwork that peeks through the laser cuts. Using a notch on the side of the wheel, you can turn it slightly up or down, bringing the cards to life with a clever animated effect. By doing this, you can make the sun shine, the star twinkle, you get the idea. Developing these cards, Janet says, reminded her again of how important it is for designers to take the time, try something new, and let the imagination soar. Considering this is coming from the designer who brought us the infamous Junglender calendar, this is saying something. So take a leaf out of Ganit's book and try something new. If you're not familiar with digital foiling, for example, get a quick overview of your traditional as well as digital options and download our free foil cheat sheet right now. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel. Of course, it would be amazing if you share with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.